gosh, I gotta find somewhere to go. Because this orange with the tan is beautiful.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hello my darlings, it's Dean. Welcome back to another video. So, I just ordered a new bag, okay? This is a no judgment zone, okay? So don't be talking about, did you just get? Yes, I did. I did. And then I got this one as well. And it has inspired me to pull out most of the creams and browns and caramels out of my closet because I want to make sure that this bag fits with what I already own. So I'm really just in the beginning. I am putting on my Manolo dupes from ASOS. I literally have them in like 4 or 5 colors. If you've been a part of this channel for more than a year or so, then you saw these, and they still have these, so I will link these. These are the straw version, and so yeah, I've only worn them once because I stopped being in these streets, and so I need to get used to being in heels again. So I'm like, you know what, let me wear these around. So we're gonna use them in this video. And they're actually pretty comfortable, just like the Manolo Hangisis are comfortable. So it won't take much, but again, I need to get used to walking in heels. All right, oh, hold on. Let me fix, okay, there we go. Oh, the back is like sliding down, hold on. All right, there we go. So what did I get? If you are part of the community, then you saw this. I put it in the community. I posted it in the community as soon as I saw it. So let's open it. And you saw this suit already. This is the suit from Target. Maybe we'll look at the sleeves. This is a suit that I got from Target last year. Yeah, last year. Woo! And when I saw this bag, this is the first look that came to my mind. Excuse me. Here she is. Here she is. Ha, ha, ha. Excuse me. Honey, 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 honey. Yes. I can't see because I don't have the mirror. I need to go look in the mirror. I'm giving you guys the first look at this bag with this outfit. How do we like? I feel good. I feel like the fringes are fringing. Oh my gosh. This bag, I'm gonna leave a link because it actually went on sale. It went cheaper. I checked this morning and it went cheaper. And I need to decide if I want to get this in black. The black was still on sale, but it wasn't as cheap. And so, oh my gosh. Hold on. I love the detail here. The little nugget detail. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you something. If you don't do anything else for yourself for this spring, summer season, get yourself a fringe bag. I love a good fringe. I'm sorry, it's like stuck to my fingers. All right, so here we go. Oh my gosh. I feel the fringe on my leg. I need to go look at myself in the mirror, but this was what I was thinking when I saw this bag. I was like, legs out, tan caramel, lotioned up, greased up. In this bag, especially with like the gold detail. Okay, let me switch this up a little bit. I just want to switch the pants because I want to give the same feel, but with a black pant. Okay, so same look. I would probably switch this out for white because I feel like it's too caramel up here for the black. Like it's too samey up here. So to break it up, I would probably put on a white V-neck and show the caramel of my skin. But I love the feel of the fringe, and then you see the point at the bottom. Oh my gosh, to me that's so elegant and sexy. How do we love? Yeah, I like this. I like this. I'm telling you, I might be getting the black. I don't need the black, but I want the black. And so again, I mean, fringe is never out of style, ever, ever, ever. I want to say that this is a dupe of the YSL bag. But yes, oh my gosh. The fringe. All right, let's try something else. Okay, so we have another look. Let me tell you something. So in the last video, I talked about the midriff being sexy on any woman. Another part of any woman is her shoulder. No matter what size, no matter what, and woman and man. Listen, get you a dress like this. This is from Amazon. I have it like 3 colors. I travel in the black one. So if you've ever been following me on Instagram and you see me in a big black thing, that's this, because this is so stinking comfortable. This is for when you're going out for brunch and you don't want to have to be unbuttoning your pants when you get back in the car. That's what this dress is. It's just simple, it's cool, and to be fair, every time I wear this dress, I get compliments. And I know that's not why we get dressed, we get just for ourselves, but just talking about just a simple silhouette that is just elegant and can just go anywhere. I've worn it to brunch, I've worn it to dinner, I've worn it to Trader Joe's. And so what you want to do is really take it up a notch with the bag, which is why I love statement bags. This is why you get a statement bag, because you wear something this quote unquote basic. And I'm wearing the wrong wig. I usually have on like my long wigs. I can pull it to the side, pull it to that side, and let my tattoos out. But as mommy said, why are you drying on yourself? But yes, I love this. And this is, again, this is why you get a statement bag. Let me know in the comments, do I need the black? I feel like I need the black. For the price point, I feel like I need the black. Let me know. I'm going to leave the link to the black and the brown in the description box. But yeah, I love this bag. It's just such a vibe. All right, so we have another off-shoulder. Listen, I love an off-shoulder. That's who I am. I think it's sexy. I think when you lotion it up and put some shimmer lotion, some of that Vaseline shimmer oil on it, I'll list that. Just like I'm gonna list the Amazon dress in the description, I'm gonna let y'all know how to get that Jergens Vaseline shimmer oil for when you're coming to South Florida on vacation. But yes, so again, you get a basic off-shoulder dress. I'm wearing my Dior Dway slides and a statement bag. Oh my gosh. If you're someone that is a no muss, no fuss, no buttons, no pull, like you just want to be comfortable, statement bags. Statement bags, statement bags. Even if you do not want to get a whole new wardrobe, switch out your bags. I know that's why I'm such a bag person, because I got this, I'll leave a link to it if they still have it. I got this 2 years ago. Last year I got it in tan and I got it in black. I promise you, I'm going to switch up the bag and people are going to be like, oh my God. You've seen this dress 4 times, sweetheart. Talking to my friends. Why you act like you ain't seen this dress before? But when you switch it up with a new bag, especially one with fringe, I'm just so excited about this fringe. I'm trying not to try anything on black, because if I try something with black on, I'm gonna want the black one. But again, cute little spring look with a statement bag. Okay, so here we have like a mocha caramel short set. So it came together. Again, these brands, don't be thinking about us girls with big tatas. So instead of ordering up, I just got it, decided to tie it at the waist and wear it with a cute bra. I typically have on my brown Fenty Beauty bra, but we're playing dress up, okay? So I'm not changing bras and all that kind of stuff. But, oh my God, a total vibe. Continued with the Dior slides. I'm telling you, you put on your Dior slides and they think everything is Dior. Or they think everything is the price of Dior. It is not. So yes, this is definitely going to be worn. And I have a brown bra, but I feel like I need a chocolate, like a deep, deep brown lace situation. Or I can get a brown lingerie, just like the one I showed you in the other video, just get a brown one. But yeah, I love this. This is, can't you see yourself walking into wherever with this on? Like if you're going on a cruise, if you're going on a vacation, I love this. Now, if this was a little more demure and it closed up, this is definitely something that you could wear to like a corporate picnic, something like that. But yeah, I love, you don't have your tatas out in front of your boss. I don't know what kind of relationship y'all have, but to each their own. Okay, my darlings. So I got this 2 summers ago, and I ordered it too big. So I'm not going to show you the side because the whole of my skin is out, and so I need to put on like a bodysuit or something over it so that you don't see the side. But I wanted to show you guys this because if you don't have a budget for like new clothing, this is what you do. I shouldn't say new clothing, but a whole new wardrobe. go to Goodwill. let me not boost up Goodwill. Go to the thrift store and get an oversized blazer. Even as a plus size woman like myself, I can find an oversized blazer in men's. I would go to the men's section and get it in a 52, 54, 60, whatever. Get a big and tall blazer, and make sure. Now listen, if you want to show your hoo-ha, I'm not gonna hold that against you because I've been known to show mine. But get an oversized blazer and cinch the waist. It's a dress. It's a whole new look. And so what I did with this one is I just cinched the waist, but I'm gonna show you another way. I hope that it doesn't like expose me, that you can just kind of overlap it and make it like a wrap blazer, okay? But I wanted to show you this with the bag first. I just have on a pair of gold shoes, thrifted from Schutz. But this is totally a vibe. I know that I need some more caramel and brown belts because I did a purge, and the ones that were peeling because they weren't leather, I just got rid of, and so I do need to get more brown and leather belts. But let me show you how I could just make this a wrap blazer with a very simple, just unbutton it, and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna put this on my hand. All right, so I literally just overlapped it and made it kind of like a wrap blazer. I'm not gonna show you the side because the tatas are out. Once I get a bodysuit to put under it, I will definitely take pictures for Pinterest, so definitely follow me on Pinterest. But yeah, this belt is from Target. This belt is older than Rally On. It's one of my favorite belts because of the different colors that it has in it. But yeah, another look that I'm gonna wear with this bag. I just need to now find belts. Where can I find? Maybe Target. I need you know what? I know where to find the belts. I just don't want to spend the money, and it's just me being frugal fan. Anthropologie will have this color belt. I just don't feel like spending $100. When you can get a good Anthropologie sale belt, pick it up. If I can find some, I'll leave it in the description box. But I know where to get it. I just don't. I might just have to bite the bullet because it's worth it. It's worth it. All right, my darlings, let's go on to the next look. Okay, so I wanted to try on the bag with animal print. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to let me know in the comment section. My style signature, and I say my, right? Because this may work for other people, but for me, I don't like too many things going on in an outfit. It makes me anxious. On me, not on other people. I'm not watching other people and how they dress. That's up to them. But for me, we have the puff sleeve, we have the animal print, the back is like open. This is a dress from, did I show you my kitchen? Like Wiley's in my kitchen. H&M. I don't know if they, some of the pieces at H&M they replenish. I don't know if this is one of them. But puff sleeve, animal print, back out, and then this bag, to me, it just feels like pick one. Like something got to be the star of the show. And for me, this dress is the star of the show. I love this dress. I love the arms. I love the back. And so I feel like it's taking away from the bag. Like I really feel like the bag needs to have its own thing. Like it needs to be the thing that people talk about instead of trying to figure out what part of the outfit they like the best. Which, you know, I understand they like it all. But for me, I like either the dress or the shoes, or that, like, it can't just all be fab. Oh, that sounds horrible. Can it all be fabulous? It can be fabulous, just not all at the same time. So I like to pick one piece and let that be the star of the show. Does that make sense? And this is for me. This is not for anybody else. This is for me. I like one piece to be the star of the show. Okay, so I have on, let me get myself situated. All right, so I have on similar dress. The only thing is it doesn't have the back out, but it's the similar silhouette. Puff sleeve, same from H&M. I got this 2 years ago, but I'm definitely gonna look and see if they have something similar. I'm a double XL in H&M, for those of you who wanna know. Because sometimes when I say H&M, people just say, they got plus? Whatever double X I can get into, I'm gonna squeeze into it. So this is what I was talking about. Although it's a beautiful, vibrant orange, I feel like they complement each other, the bag and the dress. They're not fighting each other. I felt like, for me, okay, because I don't want to tell women how to dress. Dress however you want to dress, honey. If you feel good in the morning to put that on and it makes you in the morning, wear that, okay? For me, when I wear the animal print with this, I just feel like they're fighting each other, and I don't want my outfits to fight each other. So that's why I want to get the black, because I feel like the black with the animal print would have been fine. So yes, oh gosh, I gotta find somewhere to go, because this orange with the tan is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love these dresses. I feel like H&M does a really good job of like those casual vacation-y dresses at a great price point. When people call H&M fast fashion, I'm like, I don't know what's fast about it for you, but for me, I have dresses from H&M that are like 5-10 years old. So this one is what, 2-3 years old at this point. But yes, I'm gonna see if I can find something similar. But I just wanted to show you similar puff arms, slim silhouette with the bag. I feel like they're perfect for each other, and I absolutely do need the black one. Okay, my loves, I want to say this is almost like a perfect match. This is a suit from Target. I'm showing you this because there's a collab. Is it Jenny Lopez? I feel like it's Jenny Lopez, not J-Lo. But there's a collab out right now, and the collaborator has a polka dot set like this. And so I'm showing you this because I actually may get that. I don't know if I'm gonna get it because I already have this set in black. Black and this color. I missed out on the green, and I missed out. I feel like they had it in white as well. But it's a really comfy set, so I'll leave a link to the polka dot one in case you guys are interested, because it really is a really, really cool set. I actually wore this in Portugal. If you go to my Instagram and go to the top, I pinned the picture of me coming down. Was it the castle steps? Anyway, I say that to say, I love this for this. I would hold it like this. You know what I love? I love that the length of this, well, you can't see it, but the length of this goes to the end of the pant. And so, yeah, I love this. I feel like if they cut it to here, it wouldn't be right if they cut it to here. No, it needed to be all the way to the floor for me. So I love it. Am I going to get it in black? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if I should get it, but I'll definitely leave a link. This one has gone down, I feel like $25. And the black one's regular. It's a sale, it's on sale. But yeah, I love it. 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 Thank you for hanging out with me. And I will be giving you another spring outfit ideas video as I go through my wardrobe. I'm not necessarily buying any more clothing. I bought the denim pieces from Target. Again, Target is not making clothes for busty women. And so I got a 22 in the romper, the jumpsuit, and the dress. And it fit everywhere but the tatas. When I say it, I mean it was like gaping. I would have had to get like a 26, 28, and we're not doing that. But yeah, I was really sad about that because I really love those rompers. Anyway, those denim pieces, I should say. Anyway, thank you guys. I'm not shopping that much, so we're just gonna be playing in bags and clothes that I already own for the next couple months. All right, love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.
Go.